Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are the materials required to make the earring. Let's begin with the video. First, insert a pearl into the head pin and then the spacer, again a pearl and again the spacer. Insert one more pearl on the top and cut the excess pin. Make a loop on the top of the earring. Repeat the same procedure to the other one. Finally, take the earring hook and insert it to the earring. Our beautiful earring is ready. It can be made within 5 minutes with only 4 materials. So, most of you can try it. If you liked it, like, share and comment the video. And also subscribe the channel for more such videos.